Hey guys, I know this came from CNBC and I'm not too fond of them, but when I saw this article, I got it actually from the Drudge Report 2018. Rural hospital shutdowns force communities to take care of their own. This article is about one community in particular, but this is happening all across the nation. It's very sad. Hospitals are shutting down. And when they do, they're not only making the unemployment go up, physicians, nurses, attendants, janitors, cafeteria workers, the whole nine yards, they're all losing their jobs. But people are losing the quality care that they need. According to this article, when this particular hospital shut down, 100 people lost their jobs, but 19,000 residents in the surrounding community is without a nearby emergency health facility. According to this article, if someone needs immediate hospital care, a volunteer has to stop what they're doing, go to the ambulance with 10-15 minutes, go from the ambulance place to this person's residence, 15 to 20 minutes. And then once they're picked up, it's a 45-minute drive from this town to the nearest hospital. In a country that is as blessed as the United States, in a country that has the technological advances that we have, and the programs set up that we do, this is unacceptable. I'm going to leave the link to this article. You can read it yourself. I do think it gives a lot of food for thought. What happens when you call 911 and there's nobody there to answer? Is that the next step? What about the police force? In some cities, that's already happened. Food for thought. Thank you for watching my video. God bless.